I buy this charging cable on Gearbest, link in description below. I have received this package and there must be 5 picture. 5. Let's see what we got. Okay, we see there are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we will check how these cables are working. I can say that material is quite good. Короче, ссылочка в описании на 5 товаров. Вот так вот выглядит. Давайте мы каждый проверим просто. Пробуем подсоединить. Очень прикольно выглядит. Оплеточки такой. It's quite good material. You can use on Android or your iOS device. See it. It's quite good material, and this cable is quite heavy. I think it will be very good. I recommend this to buy. Cheap and nice build. Okay, just link in description below. Thank you that you're watching this video. Bye bye.